So hey y'all, I wanted to come. I haven't made any videos recently. I've been posting a lot of my old videos and give some explanations about my engineering professor advice because I've had a couple of times where I give advice and it gets misconstrued, okay? I am absolutely about advocating for people with disabilities, about being inclusive in my advice. And so anyone who has special needs, who need ADA accommodations, I absolutely do that. So remember, when I'm giving professor advice, it's very broad, it's very general. I know that people are not a monolith and everyone has specific needs. So that being said, my advice about don't nap between classes, but study, go to professor's office hours, that's because professors are only there during the day. So a better use of your time is to get the help that you need and nap later on when the professors have gone home. However, if let's say you're a narcoleptic or something else is going on where you absolutely need to nap between your classes, then by all means, go take a nap. Like I say, if it doesn't apply, let it fly. So I'm giving general advice. So now let's talk about the just breathe advice. The whole reason I started my engineering professor advice series is because when I was in undergraduate engineering school, I was like the blind leading the blind. I didn't really have an academic advisor in engineering school. I was picking my classes from a book. Even if I went to professor's office hours, they stood in the door with it cracked and like, go away, go talk to somebody else. I don't want to talk to you. So my professor advice series is very broad-based, very general advice for people who are preparing to go to engineering school, people who are in engineering school, people who want to be successful in engineering school. And I do this because I not only struggled through engineering school and it was a hard and miserable experience, but I also failed classes and my GPA was not the best. But despite that, I graduated. I got a job at Ford Motor Company. I got a job at Detroit Edison, and I did eventually get a master's degree and a PhD in electrical engineering because it was not that I was smart. It was that I did not have the resources to be successful. So I had to learn those in the trenches. And I'm doing this so that other people do not have to do the same. So I just wanted to share those things because sometimes I get a little pushback that you may feel like I'm being judgy, and it's not that at all. It's that I'm trying to help. So stay STEMtastic and stay STEM awesome.